It's 8:15. Carlos left at I think about 7 o'clock because he wanted to get to Cuenca because he has too much stuff he'd like to mail home to continue on because his pack is too heavy. Anyhow, I slept in a bit and there was a huge rainstorm. Like I could hear it outside. So I'm glad I waited. Coffee time. But I didn't get the memo that I was supposed to wear yellow.
Later start, but hopefully I've missed all the rain. Hopefully. They have a info board here. Where's this guy? Oh, he's so cute. Laguna Negra, the Black Lagoon. Ooh, and a nice bird. Where's the creature? That's what I want to know. Another little pond here. This one has ducks. Quack, quack, quack. I'm keeping my eye out to see some nice water birds, but just ducks, a couple ducks. It's very muddy, and this mud sticks to the shoes like crazy and becomes almost like a second shoe, and my shoes and my feet are incredibly heavy. I hope I'm out of the mud parts now, because this is a nice farm. We got some horses, crazy birds. Crazy birds on the church. Detour time. I'm supposed to head that way, but instead I'm going this way. Either way it'll be in the forest. Trees! And it's raining. Just a little. Not enough to zip up my coat or put my hood on. Muddy, slippery. Now I feel like I'm hiking. Camino de la Lana. If you would like to have a drink from, I think that's like a snake's mouth, you're welcome to. There's even a pint glass. Too bad it wasn't beer. If only. What's up, Santiago? It's a nice, tiny little village here. Oh! It's a kitty club. Passing through another village. Made a sandwich. I'm gonna walk with my sandwich because it's raining. It would be a lot shorter if I walked along the highway to get to Cuenca, but who likes the highway? So the Camino takes you back into the countryside. I'm really tired out from these heavy shoes. It's actually really, really difficult to walk when your feet are so heavy. Whew. Seriously. Oh. My shoe is full of so much mud, I can hardly lift it up. I am going crazy. Thank goodness I'm almost down to the street. It is insane. Insane. This mud is so freaking steep to a high hill. Look at all this mud. Look at it. It is ridiculous. Ow. I'm getting hailed on. Ow. Hail. Ugh. Ow! Cold and wet and pissed off from the mud, but all I want to do is see some freaking dinosaurs. A fantastic view of the old city. This is the only major city along the Ruta de la Lana. Dinosaurs! Look at these cuties, they're on their way. The other guy's like, hey, catch up you two! I know these buddies. Dinosaur from Fuentes. Xenoceric amygdala gets its name from Padme in Star Wars because of the cool looking thing on the head. It's actually, this animal is actually a relative of giraffes. I had no idea that there's an animal named after Padme. So pretty freaking cool. Cave bear. Saber-toothed tiger. It's dinner time. You know what? I'm kind of annoyed that they only have dudes here getting the meat. Where's all the chickies? Cave art. Reproduction. Some nice videos here. In Spanish though. This museum is super well laid out. Well worth the €5 price of admission.
dinosaurs!
Imagine running into this guy on the Camino. What would you do? That would probably be my experience. That was me in the mud today. The artist renderings here are fantastic. Really, really cool displays. Little baby titanosaurs.
This museum was exceptionally well done and one of the best museums I've ever been to in my life. I loved it. Really, 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 really great.
Camino de Santiago. Now let's try to find the albergue. This is pretty steep. The city is gorgeous. I am loving the architecture here. Like super, super duper pretty. Really pretty. Look at all these dogs. Oh my goodness, they're so adorable. Hey guys, how's it hanging?
Absolutely lovely. I might have to stay here for a second night because I do not have time to fully enjoy and appreciate this
Probably
city.
one of the coolest Camino signs I've ever seen. A painted boot with an arrow. The signage has normally been crap in the bigger cities, but it is very, very well done here. Del Pellegrino. It is the albergue. Now it's built. That's all the info. Really nice albergue. Teeny tiny kitchen. Nice decorations.
Inside the bar in Cuenca with a big beer. It's an Amstel. I know what this tastes like. But it's in a frosty mug, so it makes it better. Frosty mug always helps a mediocre beer.
And some great snacks, olives and chips. Normally I only get one plate of snacks. And I'm out with Carlos. Decathlon in Cuenca. Thank you to Antonio for driving us here.
Cheers! Buen camino!
Buen camino.
Oh, very nice.
This is a very famous and traditional tapas bar here in Cuenca. So many photos. This is a very famous and traditional tapas bar here in Cuenca. So many photos. And the bar continues on this side. Even more.
Al año.
El año. Y los dos anteriores 78. Y a toda la gente que había allí, claro, que
Típico Cuenca.
Typical Cuenca.
A la vuelta, sí. De
Tapas
cruzar,
Park
no cruza carretera,
is
sino
continuing.
antes a la izquierda hay un camino que va derecho a Cuenca.
de caminos hay walk.
What is this? Oh my goodness.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
I'm inside the Cuenca PARADOR Hotel. This used to be a monastery. Now, fancy schmancy hotel. And this is, I think, my favorite feature that I've seen. I've seen very limited parts. So they have these enclaves with stools and lights, and there's nothing in them. I think they used to be phone quarters, but there's no phones. Everyone has cell phones. So why would you ever need that? Oh, guys are leaving, so I better hurry up. Ooh, and because it's so cold, I borrowed this fancy red jacket. It's super chic.
I don't know what to
Ay,
say.
así.
Oh.
Hold on this bridge. I'm on a bridge. I'm on a bridge. Doing the bridge dance. It's too cold and dark.
Plaza Mirror, just past midnight. This is the cathedral. Holy moly, is it bright? impressive. Oh, jeez. And our enthusiastic tour guides of the city and Carlos.